3 times. He swore he'd die for him. 3 times. He lied. He looked Jesus in the eye and said, "I don't know him." And then a rooster crowed. Hours earlier, everything felt perfect. Then, at dinner, Jesus dropped a bomb. "One of you will betray me." The room went silent. But Peter? Peter exploded. "I will never leave you," Peter shouted. Jesus didn't argue. He just looked at him. Because he already knew. Before the sun came up, Peter's loyalty would turn to ash. They went to a garden to pray. Jesus was in agony, sweating drops of blood. He needed his friends. But every time he checked, they were asleep. Then the silence shattered. Torches, soldiers, and leading them was a friend. Judas smiled and kissed him. Peter snapped. He drew a sword, ready to fight an army. "Put your sword away," Jesus said. "This has to happen." And that's when courage died. Everyone ran. Peter ran too. But not far. He followed, from the shadows. He sat by a fire, trying to disappear. Then a servant girl looked straight at him. You were with Jesus." Panic. "I don't know what you're talking about." Lie number 1. He stepped away from the light. Another voice. "You're one of them." "I swear, I don't know the man." Lie number 2. An hour later, a crowd surrounded him. "Your accent gives you away." "I do not know the man." And while he was still speaking, the rooster crowed. At that exact moment, Jesus was led out. He turned and looked at Peter. No words, just a look. Peter remembered everything. The Bible says he went out and wept bitterly. The rock had crumbled. 2 men betrayed Jesus that night. Judas and Peter. Same sin, very different ending. Judas ran from the guilt. He ended his life. Peter felt the same guilt, but he stayed. He waited. 3 days of silence. Then, Sunday morning, Jesus came back, not with lightning, but cooking breakfast on a beach. Jesus pulled Peter aside. He didn't ask, "Why did you fail?" He asked one question. "Peter, do you love me?" 3 times. 3 questions. 3 denials. Undone. Jesus wasn't shaming him. He was restoring him. That failure didn't destroy Peter. It made him fearless. He would later die for his faith, crucified upside down. The difference wasn't the sin. It was where they ran. Run to him. Subscribe for more.